here is the display, and you can use this button control your battery. And right here, this is the positive and the negative, and the communication line is connected. And do not use your finger touch this one and this one both together on the same time. This battery is heavy, but it can mount it on well. This is our own brand, Conway's battery, lithium battery, and currently the battery is communication with this inverter. But now this lithium battery is on a low model, so the inverter is arming.